Hi, I'm Mark Shoup, Community Life Pastor at Cherry Hills Community Church and the Director of our Love in Action Community Service Day. And we are here at Barbara Crocker's house in Highlands Ranch. She's a longtime member of Cherry Hills Community Church. And we're going to do all kinds of service projects here at her house today. So I'm going to get a little sunscreen on and we're going to get to work. Barbara, hi. Thanks for letting us come out to your house today. What kind of some things we are doing today?
Well, my husband passed away the end of February, so this has been a rough time. And when I looked at this yard, I felt overwhelmed. So this is a huge blessing to have them do a big cleanup, replace some timbers, help me get my patio set up to enjoy, put out some fertilizer, all the things that I cannot do.
Glad that we could come out here and spend some time with you. We're here at Bear Canyon Elementary School in Highlands Ranch, and I'm here with Chris Robinson, and this is one of 37 schools in Douglas County that we are at today. Give us a little idea what your team is doing here today.
Well, the playgrounds are totally, at least the existing mulch is totally uneven. So we're digging out the existing mulch, redistributing the mulch, bringing in tons of new mulch. There's out in the parking lot, there's piles that are like 10 feet high, bringing those in with wheelbarrows. They're also scraping and repainting some of the handrails and improving playgrounds.
Well, I'm here with Mike McNeil, and Mike, this is some work here, isn't it?
Oh, it's quite a job this year. We have 105 cubic yards of mulch to put in 2 different playgrounds.
And how many people are part of this team here today?
We have roughly about 60, I think we're at now. But we needed every one of them.
And it seems like everybody kind of rallied together, brought the tools that they needed, and boy, it looks like things are progressing well.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, all you have to do is ask for help.
Well, Mike, thanks so much to you and your team for all the work that you're providing here today at this school.
It's just a huge lift for the school. You know, funds are always very limited for us, and to have people come in and volunteer to do things for us is just huge. And so we've had a lot of comments from parents and from kids today about how nice it looks.
We'd just like to thank everybody who participated in volunteering here at Bear Canyon. We really appreciate all the effort everybody made here.
I'm here at Mountain Vista High School. I'm here with Steve Hill. Steve, first of all, for you, what is it like to be part of this day?
Yeah, it's a fun day. I mean, I think just to experience some community has been great.
How many people that we have out here?
Yeah, it seems like there's probably got to be close to 200 I would say, yeah.
Well, Steve, I'm going to let you get back to work here. It looks like we still got some more stuff to do here. We're actually going to head a little further south. Well, we're down here in the backcountry of Highlands Ranch. There's actually over 400 from Cherry Hills Community Church that are serving throughout the backcountry, including Gary Fowler here. Give us a little idea what you guys are doing here.
We're building a little lean-to so there's some shade and weather protection for draft horses for HRCA. So we're having some fun building something today.
I haven't been part of our community service day the last 3 years. What does this day mean to you?
It's so inspirational, to be out here in the backcountry, which is kind of a neat thing that I've been involved with all 3 years. But to see, roughly 2,000 people involved in the community, reaching out, doing, the right thing, and through the church, has just been very inspiring.
And I'm standing here with Paul King. Tell us a little bit about the project you've done and who's your team.
Well, the whole Wild Blue crew came out, did some painting, scraping, just trying to protect the building a little bit better than it was.
Well, I'm here at the home of Shadi and her daughter Sophie. Tell us a little bit about your situation and what exactly went on here today.
In 2005 we got divorced, and long before that, like in 2000, I got addicted to pain pills. And I was addicted for years, till finally in 2010 I went to rehab. I've been unemployed last couple of years, and Michelle approached me and asked me if I'd be willing to do this, and I'm like, of course, are you crazy? This is wonderful. I feel all this love, and I know he loves all of us. This is a miracle, seriously. So, and thank you guys all. You have no idea how grateful I am, and thank you again.
Well, we're wrapping up our Love in Action Community Service Day. It's been a great day. It's been a beautiful day. It's really been a privilege to be a part of our 3rd annual Love in Action Community Service Day.
Spring Hill